Look how clean that is. If the swoop stays, that's how you know. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I have low porosity hair, so we're gonna see how well it sits on my hair. I'm just gonna be going through and refreshing a little bit on this side because I need a little bit more definition. So let's go ahead and start with the 5-in-1. This is a heat protectant styler. It can be used as a leave-in conditioner. Usually I would start with this. So I usually apply product on damp hair or wet hair. That way the product can just like soak up in there. Let's take this leave-in. Ooh, that's nice. So I start at the ends and just work my way up. I'm gonna even get some right here on the edges. It feels really nice, a lot of slip. So I didn't even have to get like a comb or brush or anything and detangle. And it smells really good, like fresh scent. It feels so good. Okay, so now we're gonna move on. We're gonna get our curl cream, curl defining cream. That's what we need, we're looking for definition. Ooh, she's thick. Just gonna take a little bit because I can already tell like a little bit is gonna go a long way. It's what you call quality, yes. Oh, that feels good. I know my hair's gonna turn out really good. And look how defined it already is compared to this side. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the Stronghold Gel. This is also pretty thick. Also just a little bit and then crunch. You can even do a little bit of a finger coil. Look at that. Okay, oh my gosh, this is gonna turn out so good. Okay, hair is dry. Do you see this definition compared to all this frizz? I just love how defined it is. That's exactly what we were going for, but we also got moisture. We got a good base with the leave-in. 10 out of 10, I love it. Defined, it's gonna last all week and it feels good, smells good. Now we're gonna go in with the edge control just to freshen up these edges. Okay, let's see what this hold is looking like. Add a little something here. Yeah, it's doing what it should be doing. The hold is crazy, really good. Do a little swoop here. Look how clean that is. No residue. The hold is really nice and it just puts together the whole look. So this is the shower stuff. Clearly I'm not in a shower, so we're just gonna take a look. I love the packaging, love the colors. Let's take a smell of this deep conditioner. Ooh. She's also thick. I feel like this is really good for moisture right after you shampoo. Smells fresh. Then we have the shampoo and conditioner. I love the packaging. This would look really good in my shower. Let's just have a sniff. This is the repair conditioner. Ooh, this is actually pretty thick too. Yeah. You would just smell good all day. Smell this one. Oh, this one has a different scent. This one gives like florally vibes. And then lastly, we have the Instant Damage Repair Treatment. Love this color. Do a little swatch. Ooh. Let's see what that feels like. Okay, I can see myself using this maybe once a week after shampooing. Really good for damage, breakage, things like that. And this one smells really good too. So we already have the deep conditioner, but if you wanna go the extra mile when you have heat styles or a protective style that you've worn too long, this is something that I would use. This is the Instant Damage Repair Treatment. First impression, everything looks good, it feels good, it smells good. 10/10 recommend. I can't wait to keep using this.